LibreOffice is a popular and free office suite used by millions of people around the world, a successor to OpenOffice. Its clean interface and feature-rich instruments allow you to unleash your imagination and boost your productivity. Number 1. A completely free software package with no hidden or additional costs, ideal for both individual and business users. Number 2. Compatibility with different and standard file formats such as doc, docx, ppt, pptx, xls, and xsls, among others. Number 3. Has a great selection of free extensions or plugins and templates to expand its functionality and flexibility. Number 4. Includes software for word processing, presentation, spreadsheet, vector graphic editing, mathematical formula creation, and database management. Number 5. Runs on Microsoft Windows, macOS of Apple, and Linux-based operating systems or Linux distributions. Number 1. Has a traditional and outdated user interface that might look and feel different and unfamiliar to more modern users. Number 2. Lacks a built-in functionality for direct cloud storage, or in other words, does not have direct cloud integration. Number 3. The lack of built-in cloud integration also means that it is not sufficient for real-time and efficient collaboration. Number 4. No support from Chrome OS and Chromebooks. There are also no fully featured apps for Android and iOS smartphone and tablet devices. Microsoft Office, or just Office, is a family of Microsoft-developed client applications, server software and services. The first edition of Office included Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint, originally a marketing concept for an Office suite, a packaged collection of productivity applications. Number 1. Cost-effective. Number 2. Storage drive. Number 3. Easy access to files. Number 4. Email is accessible and affordable. Number 5. Scalability. Number 6. Additional tools. Number 7. Business continuity. Cost considerations. Number 2. Infrastructure configuration. Number 3. Data security. Number 4. Email archiving and e-discovery. Number 5. Email quotas and limitations.